Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Suzuki GSXS750Z. This is the matte finish, ABS, traction control, 750 fuel injected inline 4-cylinder. It's got the engine out of the GSXR 750, just tuned for street riding, lots of torque, can't be more fun. And this bike only has 8 miles on the odometer. It is basically brand new. So come on by, make your GSXS 750 dreams come true with this brand new practically bike for just $84.99. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.